In Parliament today, opposition leader Ranil Wickremesinghe questioned as to what legal measures had been taken with regard to individuals responsible for the incident in Aluthgama.
ජූනි 15 වෙනි දින බේරුවල ප්‍රදේශයේදී ඇති වූ සිද්ධිය නිසා උද්ගත වී ඇති
I wish to turn the attention of this House towards the confrontational situation that has arisen following the unrest that broke out in Beruwala area on the 15th of June. Tensions arose several days prior to this following an attack on a shop in Aluthgama and an alleged attack on a vehicle in which a monk was travelling in.
කතාවගේ ඒ ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේ අත කපලා දාලා කියලා. ඒත් එබඳු සිදුවීම් යලි ඇති නොවන පරිදි
Rumors were abound that the monk's hand had been cut off. Of course, this was completely false. However, instead of taking preventive measures to ensure that such incidents do not occur again, the government has created an incendiary environment. As a result of this, communalism was instigated, and according to what we know, there was massive property damage and even loss of life. On the 15th of June, several organizations, including the Bodu Bala Sena organization, held a public rally in Aluthgama. Outsiders had been brought into the area in buses for this rally. Furthermore, the speeches at this rally had incited communalism. Subsequently, this group had journeyed across Darga town, a predominantly Muslim town, in procession.
මේ සිද්ධිය සම්බන්ධයෙන් ප්‍රදේශයේ ප්‍රධාන ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේලා රජය දැනුවත් කර මෙම
I do not understand why they went to Darga town for a problem that arose in Aluthgama. Darga town is a Muslim area and the problem in question arose in Aluthgama. Local leaders of the Mahasangha in the area had informed the government that this problem could be resolved through dialogue by the Sinhala and Muslim people in the area and that the government should not let external parties stoke communalism. While I expect a comprehensive report on this incident, I wish to ask the Prime Minister why the government allowed this to transpire and spread and simply looked on quietly. We would especially like to know the identity of the official who approved this rally.
අගමැතිතුමාගෙන් විමසා සිටීමට කැමැති. විශේෂයෙන්ම කවුද මේ රැස්වීමට අනුබල දුන්න නිලධාරියා කවුද කියලා අපි දැනගන්න කැමැතියි.
මෙම පහර දීමට සම්බන්ධ සහකාරුවන් තුන්දෙනෙකු අත්අඩංගුවටගෙන අධිකරණයට ඉදිරිපත් කර සක්ෂිත බන්ධනාගාරගත කරන ලදී.
Three suspects in connection with this attack have been arrested and produced in court and remanded. Samita Thera, who had been hospitalized, was discharged from hospital and approval was granted as per request made by monks to hold a rally to felicitate the Thera on the 15th of June, that is on Sunday. Following this rally, the Thera was to return to the Vijayarama Viharya where he resides, and since the road to the Viharya falls across Darga town and passes the main mosque in Darga town, the clergy at the mosque were informed and the relevant factions agreed to let the motorcade pass without obstruction. However, the situation arose as a result of a certain group pelting stones at the vehicles carrying the monks as it passes through Darga town. While property has been damaged, 6 police officers were injured. A monk named Soda Matera was injured and 44 people, both Sinhalese and Muslims, were injured and hospitalized. 2 of them have succumbed to their injuries, while the police followed all necessary steps to control the situation. The CID and Colombo Crimes Division have already initiated investigations into the major incidents.
ප්‍රධාන සිද්ධීන් පිළිබඳව පහත් පොලිසිය හා කොළඹ අපරාධ කොට්ටාසය විසින් පරීක්ෂණ දැනටමත් ආරම්භ කර ඇත.
I say that as party leaders, let us convene today and discuss measures that can be taken to put a stop to this. I wish to clearly note that if anyone is found to have committed any wrong, we are prepared to take steps with regard to all these actions.